Hey guys, let's boost your German really fast. We are going to go through the words that you will need on a daily basis during your interaction with the German language. So the Institute for the German Language, in conjunction with German Pod 101, have put up a list of the first 1000 words that you must know if you're somebody starting to learn German. But I have gone through all of them and selected for you the 100 most important words that will help you really walk through the German language with ease. So these are a must know for you. And by the way, if you are new here, my name is Melk. I am a medical doctor and I live in Bonn, German. And one of those things that I just enjoy doing is learning the German language and also teaching it, by the way. Now, this video is focused more on the beginner and tends towards intermediate level. So if you are a beginner, in the right place. If you're someone in the intermediate levels of German, still stick around because you're going to learn quite a number of words from this list. As usual, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Let's just go into the first category of the words. The first category are the verbs, die Verben. So the first verb is sein. Sein means to be, and so most of the statements that you've been hearing me saying, sometimes I say statements like ich bin, du bist, ist. So sein means to be, the state of being. It's a good thing to be in Germany. Es ist schön in Deutschland zu sein. Know that word without fail. Sein is a very important word. Now, verb number 2 is haben, what is normally pronounced as haben, but haben basically means to have. Ich habe ein Uhr. Ich habe ein Auto. So also learn it in its own fullest forms of conjugation. Ich habe, du hast, hat, ihr habt, wir haben. Very, very, very important word. This word is used also in the simple past. In German, if you want to say yesterday I ate food, you say yesterday I have eaten food. Word number 3 is können. Können speaks about the possibility. Can you help me? Können Sie mir helfen? Ich kann dir nicht helfen. Ich kann dir helfen. Ich kann euch helfen. I can help you guys with the German language. Know it in all its forms. The next verb is machen. Machen basically means to do. So also know it. Ich mache, du machst, macht, wir machen. Very, very important one that you must know. It is so important because most of the life that happens is about doing things. So somebody will ask you, what are you doing? Was machst du? Ich habe mein Hausaufgabe schon gemacht. The next word is gehen, to go. Ich gehe in die Stadt. Ich gehe in die Küche. Ich gehe in das Haus. Ich gehe ins Krankenhaus. Ich gehe nach Hause. Gehen, to go. Sehen, sehen. Ich sehe euch. Seht ihr mich? To see, sehen. I'm going to kind of keep on doing actions. The next word, hören, hören, to hear, hören. Very important. Hörst du das? Hast du gehört das? Have you heard that? Ich habe nicht gehört. I didn't hear. So know the word hören in all its forms. Schmecken, to taste, schmecken. Sagen, sagen. Sagen is to say. Was willst du sagen? What do you want to say? Ich will sagen das. I want to say that. Was hast du gestern gesagt? What did you say yesterday? Very, very, very important one. Sagen. Now sagen goes together with sprechen. Sprechen, to speak. Sagen is to say. Kannst du Deutsch sprechen? That comes in more appropriate to speak German and not to say German. Ich spreche Deutsch. Kannst du Deutsch sprechen? Exactly. So wissen, to know. Weißt du was? Ja, ich weiß das. Wir wissen nicht. Wissen is a very, very important word that you must also know. Riechen, to smell. Es riecht nach Zwiebeln. I smell onions. Es riecht nach Zwiebeln. Riechen is very important. That's a word you must know. Trinken. Trinken is to drink. Essen. Essen means to eat. Ich esse das. Ich esse Schokolade. Let me eat some chocolate. Ich esse Schokolade. That word essen also kind of, it has two meanings actually. Essen means to eat, but it also means food. It is both a noun to mean food and a verb. But usually when you say I want to eat food, you don't say ich will essen essen. You say ich will essen haben. Or ich will essen. You just say I want to eat. Wir haben Essen gehabt. Schlafen. Schlafen. To sleep. Willst du schlafen? Know that one also. Lesen. Ich lese etwas. I am reading something. Lesen is to read. Then the other one is writing, which is schreiben. Schreiben, to write. To write is schreiben. That's a word you must know. Brauchen. Ich brauche deine Hilfe. I need your help. Brauchen, to need something. Ich brauche Geld. I need money. Ich brauche Zeit. I need time. Ich brauche etwa Zeit, darüber nachzudenken. I need some time to think about it. Wollen. Wollen is very important. It means to want. That's how it is written in its infinitive form. But when you want to conjugate it and use it as I want, you don't say ich wollen, you say ich will. Ich will Deutsch lernen. I want to learn German. When we are many, then you say wir wollen Deutsch lernen. We want to learn German. Möchten. Möchten is another very important verb because it's used a lot on a day-to-day basis. Möchtest du das haben? Ich möchte, dass wir darüber sprechen. I would like us to speak about it. So, möchten is a very, very important word. Dürfen. Dürfen. All the words I'm mentioning, guys, are very, very important. Dürfen is a very important word. Dürfen is may, to be allowed to do something. If you answer, for example, may I have something? You say, darf ich etwas haben? May I have tea? Darf ich Tee haben? Du darfst das nicht machen. You are not allowed to do that. Dürfen speaks to you requesting if you may do something or if you would like to have something, but it also speaks to if you are allowed to do something or not, kind of in the context of being granted permission. Geben. Geben. To give out something. It means geben. Kannst du mir das geben? Kannst du mir bitte das geben? Ja, ich gebe dir etwas. So, geben, to give. Very, very important. Nehmen, to take. Ich gebe dir etwas, du nimmst es. So, nehmen, to take. Geben, to give. Okay? Freely you've received, freely give. Helfen. Helfen. Now, that's a very important verb that you must know at all costs because helfen means help. If you want to ask for help, you say, bitte hilf mir. Können Sie bitte mir helfen? Could you please help me? Now, let's go on into another category. Those are some of the verbs that I personally think you must know. So the next category is basically some adjectives. The word gut basically just means good. 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 Good morning. Guten Morgen. Good afternoon. Guten Tag. That is good. What you've done is good. Was du gemacht hast ist gut. Very easy. And the opposite of that is schlecht, which means bad. Schlecht, bad. Wie geht's dir? Schlecht. How are you doing? Bad. I'm not doing well. Klein. Klein. Something which is very small. Klein. Klein. And the opposite of that is groß. Groß, which is big. Schön, something which is beautiful. Neu, neu, something new. Alt, something which is old. Warm, warm, something which is warm. Like you can say, the weather is warm today. Heute ist das Wetter warm. Kalt, 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 when it is cold. Kalt means cold. Teuer. Teuer means it's expensive. Teuer means it's expensive. Billig. Billig means cheap. Einfach. Einfach. Einfach means easy. Deutsch ist einfach. German is easy. The opposite of that is schwierig. Schwierig. Deutsch ist schwierig. Ich weiß nicht, ob Deutsch schwierig ist, aber manche Leute sagen, Deutsch ist schwierig. Kompliziert. Kompliziert. When something is complicated, that's a bit complicated. You would say, das ist kompliziert. Schnell. Very fast. Schnell. And something which is very slow, langsam. Langsam. Manche Leute sprechen sehr schnell. Some people speak very fast. So let's go on to some of the common questioning words and what they actually mean. Wer. Who. Wer. Who? Was. Was? What? What? So was means what? Wo. Wo means where. Woher. Woher comes to where do you come from? Wie. How. Wie geht's dir? How are you doing? Warum is why. Warum. Warum? Wieso? Wieso is another way of saying why. How to be polite in German. Danke means thank you. Bitte, which means please. Können Sie bitte mir helfen? Can you please help me? Ah, danke. Thank you. Hallo is the same word for hello. Tschüss. Tschüss, which means bye. Guten Morgen, guten Abend, guten Tag, gute Nacht. Entschuldigung means excuse me. So then some of the everyday essentials that you need on a daily basis. These are words that of course you must know. Essen, you need to eat food every day. Essen. Essen means food. Das Essen. Das Wasser, water. Das Haus, you will of course live in a house, not on a tree. Das Haus. Die Stadt, the city. Die Straße. Straße means road, but it also means street. So in German, it's the same word. Straße means road, although it directly translates for street. Das Auto, a car. Der Zug, a train. Das Fahrrad, a bicycle. Das Handy, your phone. Das Handy, your phone. Die Familie, family that you belong to. Die Familie. And then let me just give you guys some of the connecting verbs that I think you must know. One of them is und. Und, which means and. Wir haben gegessen und dann hatten wir Dessert. Oder means or. Aber, that means but. Ich wollte kommen, aber es hat geregnet. I wanted to come, but it rained. Weil, that means because. Das, that means that. Nicht means not. Ja means yes. Nein means no. So let's talk about time and days and how to address that. Heute means today. Heute lernen wir Deutsch. Today we are learning German. Morgen means tomorrow. Morgen means morning. So morgen is for tomorrow, but also means morning, okay? Gestern, yesterday. Gestern, yesterday. Jetzt, right now. Now, jetzt means right now. Immer, always. Immer means always. Wir essen immer. We always eat. Wir trinken immer. We always drink. Wir atmen immer. We always breathe. Always. Immer. Manchmal. That means sometimes. Nie. That means never. Bald. Ich werde euch so bald wie möglich sehen. I'll see you guys as soon as possible. Bald means soon. Bis bald means see you soon. Früh means early. Spät means late. Ist spät gekommen means he came late. Then these are some of the words that I think you're going to need on a daily basis when it comes to dealing with life at home. Number one, things in the sitting room. Das Sofa, that's easy, right? A sofa set. Der Tisch, a table. Der Stuhl, a chair. Der Fernseher, a TV. Die Lampe, a lamp. Das Bett, the bed. Das Kissen, the pillow. Die Decke, it's something that you cover yourself. So you see, right now you can put up statements, at least in the bedroom and the sitting room. Der Kühlschrank. So as you noticed, we said Schrank is something like a cupboard, and then Kühlschrank is a fridge. So German just say, this is a cupboard which cools things. It's a very easy way of putting it. Wir haben Milch im Kühlschrank. Die Pfanne, that is the pan that you use for cooking. Der Teller, the plate. Das Messer, the knife. Die Gabel, that's a fork. Der Löffel, a spoon. And then something in the shower room. Die Dusche, that's the shower. Die Dusche. Das Waschbecken, that's the sink. Die Seife, that is soap that you apply on your hands. Das Handtuch, the towel that you wipe yourself with. Die Zahnbürste, that's a toothbrush. Zahnpasta, that's toothpaste that you put on the toothbrush. Now that's when the Anki really comes into place when you're learning such vocabulary, and if you're very familiar with using Anki, then that's okay. But if you're somebody who is asking yourself what on earth is Anki, then please check out this video, because in this video I explain exactly in detail how to use Anki for beginners. Please like the video, consider subscribing to the channel if you didn't subscribe already, and until the next one, bye and peace.